Dear students, this chapter I have already discussed with you in Zoom class, and about this chapter question answer already I have shared with you in and through the WhatsApp group. Now, at a moment I felt that I should share with you some of the gist point, some of the key points of this particular chapter, since it's a long awaited chapter as well as it's also a important and long chapter. So here it's not a summarization, rather I will give you some of the gist and the most important line of this lesson to comprehend about this lesson in better way, and it will be in great help of your examination. So pay attention now. So here the first title talks about Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela and its long walk to freedom. So in the very beginning, we talk about the apartheid. What is this apartheid? It's the political system that separates people according to their race. Okay, so it's a discrimination between the white skinned people and dark skinned people. So apartheid that lasted a lot in South Africa. So the main character of this lesson is about Nelson Mandela and his African National Congress ANC party spent lifetime fighting against apartheid system because they wanted to bring an end to this racial discrimination, so-called apartheid system. So Nelson Mandela was in jail for 30 years. Many of the students will ask, sir, why he was in jail for 30 years? Because he was constantly fighting against the apartheid system and he was trying to bring an end. Not only he, but with him a number of people were there to bring an end to this racial discrimination, so-called apartheid system. So finally democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994. And Mandela became the first black president of a new nation after more than 3 centuries of a white rule. So it's really a glorious day. It's a day of glory. It's a day of historical events in South Africa. So this chapter is actually, it's an autobiography of Nelson Mandela and the title is Long Walk to Freedom. So Mr. Mandela's African National Congress ANC party won 252 seats of the 400 seats in first democratic elections of South Africa's history. The inauguration ceremony took place in the Union Building. So many politicians, dignitaries, guests from more than 140 countries around the world attend this program, a glorious moment. Nelson Mandela said a very interesting aspect here. Never again will this beautiful land experience the oppression of one by another. Oppression means those who used to oppress, those who used to torture, those who used to practice this racial discrimination, so-called apartheid system. So jubilant success on the streets of Pretoria followed the ceremony with black, whites and colored celebrating together on the day. More than 1 lakh South African men and women and children of all races sang and danced with joy. Dear students, this day is very important for this chapter. 10th May 1994 dawned bright and clear on the land of South Africa. The inauguration ceremony took place on this day in the Union Building in Pretoria. याद रखना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है वाला. To see the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government, dignitaries and world international leaders all came there to celebrate this beautiful day. Which day? 10th May 1994. Mr. Mandela was accompanied by his daughter Janani. Okay. Mr. de Klerk took the oath first as second deputy president. Then Thabo Mbeki took oath. Oath का मतलब है शपथ लेना, as first deputy president. And the third, Mr. Mandela took the oath as black president in the land of South Africa. And his speech is so beautiful, so much heart touching, that really shake our hearts. So he said, today the presence of glory and hope to newborn liberty. यहाँ पे लिबर्टी का मतलब है फ्रीडम. A common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. Dignity का मतलब है respect. So respect for everyone, respect everyone, respect every culture, religion, creed. Now, time to liberate all people of our own soil. Who is telling this? Mr. Mandela. Liberate from bondage of poverty. Okay. Liberate from deprivation. Liberate from suffering. Liberate from gender. Liberate from other discriminations. These are nothing but very much effective and harmful as well as hurtful experience that South Africans witnessed in those centuries. Never, never again this land will experience the oppression of one by another, was said by Mr. Mandela. The sun shall set on so glorious a human achievement. Okay, so the first democratic elections, and they won the seats, and then they were forming a very much fair government, and this is nothing but the hard work, the sacrifice, the constant movement of the people, and that's why he is commenting, stating this point, telling that it's a human achievement. Let freedom reign. God bless Africa. People all over came to salute, respect and witness this memorable and historical day. Which day? 10th May 1994. This was a new birth of democracy and free government in South Africa. Mr. Mandela saw the highest generals of South Africa Defence Force and police came to salute today. They only arrested him before. So आज जो लोग आया मिस्टर मैंडेला को रेस्पेक्ट देने के लिए, सैल्यूट करने के लिए, ये डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, यही लोग एक दिन क्या किए थे ना, मिस्टर मैंडेला को अरेस्ट करके लेके गया था और उसको जेल में डाल दिया. तो कितना साल मिस्टर मैंडेला जेल में था? 30 years, 30 साल. Moreover, they sang their two national anthem. And then Mr. Mandela said, the torture of white people and their creation of racial domination. So who are the creator of this torture, racial discrimination? Now white people of South Africa. And against whom? Against the dark-skinned peoples of their own land, South Africa. But this land will never, never, never again will witness. Witness का मतलब है see. The day of torture and discrimination. It's being said by Mr. Mandela on that precious occasion. the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. Now Mr. Mandela is very much grateful, very much thankful for being this achievement, for having been this achievement, and he firmly believed and he firmly delivered this speech that today the achievement we have received, the freedom we have received, the liberty we have received, it's not the sacrifice of one people, it's thousands of people. People who suffered a lot, who had a lot of courage to show this day, will never be counted or repaid. Okay. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. Dear students, यहाँ पे wrought का मतलब है great achievement. So आज जो great achievement मिला इन लोगों को, तो इसके पीछे बहुत सारा आदमी का sacrifice था. तो so many people are not there right now because they died because of the torture of the white skinned people. The policy of apartheid created a deep lasting wound in the heart of the people. It will take long years to recover. Then Mr. Mandela talks about few names in your books also. So many names are there. Oliver Tambo, Yusuf Dadus and so on. Men of great and extraordinary courage. Those who suffered a lot, constantly fought to bring an end to the apartheid system. And then Mr. Mandela comment a very precious statement. He says, my country is rich is the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil. But I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people, finer and truer than the purest diamond. So in and through this statement, Mr. Mandela is trying to touch everyone's heart and saying that wealth is greatest, but the real greatest wealth is the human. He gives the value of human more than anything else in the world. No men are born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. Mr. Mandela also has witnesses a glimmer of humanity just for a second in one of the guards when Mandela was in prison. I have already discussed with you this line in the Zoom class. In WhatsApp also question answer are given. Very nicely this line is explained. Okay. So he talks about that this oppressor and the oppressed. Oppressor matlab those who torture and oppressed matlab who are being tortured. So these people are not free at all. You see, man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never be extinguished. Extinguished का मतलब क्या है डियर स्टूडेंट्स? इरेज और डिलीट. मतलब ये जो मैंस का जो गुडनेस है ये फ्लेम का तरफ है. यू कैन हाइड इट बट यू कैन नॉट इरेज इट और डिलीट इट. सो नाइस एंड हार्ट टचिंग was the speech of Mr. Mandela. In life, every man has twin obligation. Twin obligation मतलब है two obligations. And first one is obligation to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children. And second is he has an obligation to his people, his community and his country. Each man should fulfill these two obligations. But in South Africa, it was not possible because dark-skinned people were not allowed to live in a society where white-skinned people were living. In South Africa, whoever tried to fulfill those two duties मतलब twin obligations, they were pushed and isolated. They were put in jail as Mr. Mandela was in jail for 30 years. And then he is talking about, I was not born with a hunger to be free. Rather, I was born free to run, play, swim, eat, ride. I was not troubled by the laws of the people or God. So यहाँ पे मिस्टर मैंडेला बात कर रहा है उसका चाइल्डहुड के बारे में, और ये भी बोल रहा है जब वो पैदा लिए थे उस टाइम इसको पता नहीं था क्या फ्रीडम है, आज़ादी क्या है, क्या नहीं है, लेकिन बाद में वो थोड़ा जब ग्रो हुआ तब उसको पता चला ये अपार्थाइड सिस्टम क्या है, ये रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन क्या है, ये सब बहुत ख़राब चीज़ है. इट वॉज ओनली व्हेन आई बिगान टू लर्न दैट माई बॉयहुड फ्रीडम वॉज एन इल्यूजन. यहाँ पे वो क्या बात कर रहा है, मिस्टर मैंडेला बात कर रहा है उसका बॉयहुड के बारे में, और क्या बोल रहा है, ये जो इल्यूजन है ये ब्लंडर तरफ का है, ये डार्कनेस है. एक्चुअली फ्रीडम वॉज नॉट गिवन टू द dark skinned people. All the freedom and opportunities were enjoyed by the white skinned people, and dark skinned people were living like a life like animals in South Africa. As a young man, now he is talking about his adulthood. So he has talked about his childhood, then he talked about this one about his boyhood, and then growing up, and then he is talking about adulthood. I saw that my freedom has already been taken from me. Not only me, but my brothers and sisters are also not free. So when he was growing up, he saw that not only he, but also his all fellow members in the family, his community were also not free. Only reason, अपार्थाइड. व्हाट इज अपार्थाइड? न रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. क्या रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन? नहीं, उसका स्किन डार्क है, मेरा स्किन वाइट है, मेरा डार्क है, उसका वाइट है, ये सब रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था. कहाँ? ना साउथ अफ्रीका में. माई ओन फ्रीडम बिकेम द ग्रेटर हंगर फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ माई पीपल. सो ही वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट, ही वॉज फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट दिस अपार्थाइड सिस्टम, एंड दे वर हंग्री फॉर द फ्रीडम. People did not have dignity and self-respect. Why? उन लोगों का क्या फॉल्ट था? कुछ फॉल्ट नहीं था, जस्ट एक ही प्रॉब्लम था. क्या है ना, उन लोगों का जो कलर है, स्किन का कलर वो डार्क है, इसलिए उन लोगों का डिग्निटी नहीं है, रेस्पेक्ट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, वो सब जानवर है. इस तरफ का बिहेवियर ओके द वाइट स्किन पीपल यूज्ड टू डू विद द डार्क स्किन पीपल, and that stands for the apartheid in one word. So freedom is indivisible. यहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल का मतलब है होल और एंटायर. अगर फ्रीडम एस्टेब्लिश करना है, फ्रीडम लागू करना है, तो सबके लिए लागू करना चाहिए. आज़ादी, अगर आज़ादी कॉन्सेप्ट ये होल एज अ होल सबके लिए चाहिए. फ्रीडम फॉर ऑल, ऐसा नहीं है दैट यू वांट ओनली फ्रीडम और दूसरों को कोई फ्रीडम ही नहीं है. नहीं, ऐसे बात नहीं है. सबको फ्रीडम चाहिए और एज अ होल एंटायर कम्युनिटी यूनिटी के साथ चाहिए. द चेन्स और एवरीवन of my people were the chains on me of them. The chains of my people were the chains on me. So here Mr. Mandela is talking about his social background. He is talking about his life. He is talking about his genuine hearts. He is talking about that his relation of brotherhood and sisterhood with the people in the society. That they are bound with one another. They are united with one another. They were all fighting for only one goal, to end that crucial, that very much cruel system, so-called apartheid system, which talks about the racial discrimination. I knew that the oppressor must be liberated just as surely as the oppressed. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए. ऑप्रेसर का मतलब है वाइट पीपल, जो लोग टॉर्चर कर रहा था किसको ना, ऑप्रेस्ड को, डार्क स्किन पीपल को. ठीक, ये दोनों ही लिबरेटेड होना चाहिए था एक्चुअली. ये लोग फ्रीडम, मतलब बिल्कुल इन लोगों के पास फ्रीडम नहीं था, क्योंकि जो लोग टॉर्चर कर रहा था वो लोग बाय प्रेशर कर रहा था, है ना। ऊपर माहौल से ऑर्डर था, जाओ उसको पकड़ो, उसको टॉर्चर करो, जेल में डाल दो, और वो लोग कर रहा था। अगर नहीं करेगा तो इसको भी नौकरी चला जाएगा, इसलिए ये लोग कर रहा था। सो मिस्टर मैंडेला वांटेड टू ब्रिंग अ फ्रीडम दैट इज इंडिविजिबल, मतलब होल एंटायर, सबके लिए। I am not truly free if I am taking away someone else's freedom. Excellent this is actually. अगर कोई आपको आज़ादी छीन रहा है, फ्रीडम टेकिंग अवे, that means that person is also not free. If you are disturbing others' life, if you are taking others' freedom, controlling others' life, torturing others' life, that means you are also not free mentally. You are also mentally suffering. Thus, the oppressed means dark-skinned people and the oppressor, white-skinned people alike are robbed, मतलब looted of their humanity. तो इन लोगों का अंदर जो इंसानियत है ये सब लूटेड हो गया, रॉब्ड हो गया। ओके, सो टू एस्टेब्लिश दिस फ्रीडम, टू एस्टेब्लिश ह्यूमैनिटी, टू एस्टेब्लिश सेल्फ डिग्निटी, to establish respect, Mr. Mandela was insisting on 10th May 1994, and he was telling, never, never again this beautiful land will see the oppression by one another. Dear students, that's all. Stay tuned and continue to learn. I will upload this on second part of this video for you all. Thank you.